Here we come to the elevator at Benedict Hall at University of Texas at Austin in Austin, Texas. It's a ThyssenKrupp with EPCO SSL. A unique one as well because this elevator has a trio of elevator car doors. Anyways, this is the only few elevators I'm gonna film on this campus. I'm not gonna do all the elevators here because they look exactly like this one. Same exact fixtures from Innovation Bruiser to EPCO SSL. Nothing really that exciting. I mean, look at this right here. Look at this. Got doors on each side, and that's the only elevator cable right there. So I'm gonna open up each of these doors.
Second floor, south. First floor, west.
Hopefully we don't get interrupted.
First floor, west. First floor, south. First floor, south. Basement, north. Basement, north.
Awesome, y'all. Look at this. I had to literally sit down to get the whole entire thing in the frame. Look at this, y'all. Look at this cab right here. See, look at this. This is so interesting. All right, I don't need to lay down. Okay, let's take it on a full round trip ride. Here we go.
First floor, south. First floor, west. Second floor, south. Second floor, west. Third floor, south. Third floor, west.
Oh! I accidentally opened that side by accident.
Third floor, west. Third floor, south. Second floor, west. Second floor, south. First floor, west. First floor, south. Basement, north.
We're gonna end it on 2 south this time.
Basement, north.
Imagine if it says like Burlington Northern. That would have been funny if it said that based on the BN, as in basement north. This thing's got a dry powder motor. You can kind of barely hear over the fan. I mean, you can barely hear over the fan.
First floor, west. Second floor, south.
But yeah, guys, I apologize for laying down on the ground the elevator cab. I don't mean to do that. I just really had to get the whole thing in the frame in 4K mode. This is such a unique elevator. I just had to get a video of this. So anyways, there it goes. And that's it.